Flows for Apex is an Oracle Apex extension with which you can build and run your process-oriented apps. Once you have downloaded Flows for Apex, you can install Flows for Apex itself by importing the package app. I've already installed it here in the builder. And next to that, you also have a sample process app called Expense Claims, which you can also install as a package app within a few seconds. Let's first concentrate on Flows for Apex itself. So this app lets you actually create and maintain process models, but you can also monitor through this app existing instances of your process models. So let's first concentrate on the flow management, and let's create a new model. Let's say I'm going to create a demo model here. Click on create, and now I have a button here, modify diagram. So now I'm in the BPMN standard, and here I can now model my flow. So let's say I have here a parallel gateway, and that leads to task A, maybe also to task B, and in the end they come together again. So let's end this as a parallel gateway and make an end event. All right, so I'm done. I'm going to click on apply changes, and this whole definition now gets stored in the Oracle database and also gets parsed. So it's available in relational tables. By clicking on Flow Monitor, I can actually execute a process flow. And I can simulate this by clicking on Create Instance. So normally your own custom Apex app will drive your flow definition. But in this case, I'm going to simulate that as an administrator by clicking on Create Instance. So let's select what we have built, and let's give it a name, Demo 1. Okay, it's created now, but it's not started yet. So I can click on Details. I can have another look at the diagram itself, if it's okay. And once I'm happy with it, I can click on Start. And now you can see it's already standing at task A and task B, because here we have a parallel gateway, so it automatically follows those both paths. By clicking on Complete, I can also simulate clicking through it. So once I'm done with this manual task, I can click on Complete, and then the whole process comes to an end. So if you would like to see this on the other hand with your own custom app and how that's integrated, I suggest you have a closer look to our My Expense Claims demo. And that's over here, the sample process flow application. So once you start that, you get this start screen with some dashboard reports here, but you can also click through the process by using Apex dialogues. If you click here on status, then you can also get an overview of the running instance where you're at. So this might be useful to end users, depending if they can actually interpret the model as such.